Hi guys, I'm Liz.
And I'm Mike.
And we're gonna kind of talk to you about this situation that we found ourselves in and an opportunity that we have, building our own house and tearing down our current one.
So we live right by a lumber mill. Our property actually touches a lumber mill behind us, out the window over there. And they wanted to buy our property. So they came and said, hey, what would it take for us to buy this thing from you? And we went through the whole deal, and we'll explain all that in another video and kind of break it down on how that all worked out. But then that put us in a situation where we had to go somewhere because the house was sold. So we ended up finding some land, and we're going to build our own house on it. And I'm going to quit my job and just build the house totally by myself. I mean, we'll have a little help here and there from family and friends, but no professional help by any means. So it'll be interesting, to say the least.
Yeah, we kind of weighed our options and prices of land and prices of houses in the area are pretty expensive.
Super expensive.
Yeah, and we kind of wanted to figure out how we could do this as cheap as possible for us, so we're not racking up a whole bunch of debt. We're both pretty young, so
yeah, once we started looking at houses, we realized how much more in debt we'd be going into, because the mill gave us a fair price for it, but everything else is super expensive, so we'd be diving right into debt, and we didn't want to do that. So we think we can do the whole thing debt free and come out ahead and kind of get out of the rat race a little bit and start living a little bit more.
Yeah.
So we're just going to run through everything and kind of show you guys what we did and the stuff we ran into, and just document the whole process for people who want to see the whole house being built. We'll be setting the footings for all that. We're going to do the whole thing. So it'll be a ton of how-to videos for the whole process, everything. And, we'll cover, like I said, all the legal stuff that we went through with the sale and the purchase and all that, and we'll cover everything. Or if you want to just follow along and see the whole process of the build and start to finish, buzz through it. You already know how to do it, but you want to see how good this guy's house turned out, check that out too.
Yeah.
So we'll do a little bit of everything.
Yeah. We'll do some videos here and there. We get to basically take everything out of our house that we have right now, because essentially they're tearing this house to the ground. So we can take everything from trim to cupboards to fixtures, absolutely everything. So we're hoping to be able to completely furnish our new house with just what we have in here.
Yeah, all the appliances, which is also a unique situation.
Yeah, for sure.
People to be in. That probably sets us apart from others. We don't have to buy any of that.
Yeah.
It's all right there, which is perfect. So yeah, then we'll have to, have the camera out for all that too, taking the furnaces out and pulling all the windows out. There's brand new windows on that side of the house, so I'll have to take all those out and just do it.
Yep, we're doing it. Yeah, all right.
That's probably good.
That's probably good.
Right? Yeah, because we can cut it.
Yeah.
Do you want to take it around and show people the house?
Maybe we should clean a little.
No, I agree. We don't have to do it right now.
Yeah, that'd be good. We got the outside, right?
Yeah, I got the outside. So this is our spot. A little dirty from the winter. You can tell it's nothing special, but we have enough. There's our garden. You got the boat, the pop-up, and the Nissan. The Nissan's not running. That'll be another one. That needs a new transmission and a new engine. But it's a project. We got the fire pit and our little wood pile for the outdoor fires. And the chicken playpen over here. The metal's a old trailer that I attempted to take apart and never finished cleaning up. Now it's chicken habitat, and they actually like it. You see them, they'll hop up on top of it and hang out there in the sun. We got 6 chickens. We get, in the summer, we get right around 6 eggs a day. 5 to 6. 4, 5, 6, somewhere in there. It's just a simple chicken coop. We built it. Super basic. We'll do a video on how to build it. It's really straightforward. But you can see it's nothing special. This is the little landscape shed, I like to call it. This is where we kind of keep our outdoor stuff. It's full of all the stuff for the winter. We got everything in here that's stored for the winter. If we weren't moving, we would all get cleaned out and put everything in the shop for the summer. Oh, that door's locked, or else I'd show you in there. And then we'll put all the winter stuff back in the shed for the summer. And it's a cycle. It wasn't a bad place, but it does need work. It's a starter home for sure. It needs to be painted. You can see I started to pressure wash it. The deck needs to be replaced. The garden we built last year, so the garden's actually in decent shape. So show you in the shop here. The shop is trashed from the winter. It's been non-stop working on snowmobiles. This is the shop. Just a little man cave. It's pretty dirty, but it's something. It works. You can see the floor. It's hard to tell in the video. Even the furnace there, you can tell that the whole floor is leaning in this thing. I don't know if the wall settled or if the middle of the floor heaved. But this floor is not flat. Not even close to flat. But we got everything in here. And I'm just showing you just to kind of have a starting point to see like where we're at and what we're coming from. This is a better picture of the house. It's an old house. I think it was built in like 1930 something. There's Lizzie. What's up? This is the wood shed. With a little left. It's not too big. How many can we fit in here? How many cords?
What, like 6?
6 cords?
6, 7?
Maybe 5 cords. And that's the wood shed.
Mild enough winter.
Yeah. This winter's been pretty mellow. There's the pups, the helper pups.